dark green. So for now, 70 points higher. I think the bulls would take that. The Sensex is up about 200 odd points. Let's see if we can build on those gains. And the Bank Nifty is attempting to pull back, so 227 points in the green. Advance decline ratio is also decent, actually. 1,300 stocks on the advancing side. And you have a lot of names. Adani Group stocks are coming back. As I was telling you, the list of gainers today is pretty much the big losers of the month. So some pullback. Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Divi's Labs, something like SBI, which is down about 17% from its highs last year, is making an attempt to pull back. Infosys, IndusInd Bank, Axis, Britannia, Dr. Reddy's are the other big gainers in trade today. On the downside, ONGC is under pressure. ITC is down 0.3%. Hindalco, Eicher Motors, Titan are a couple of other names that are just a tad bit soft and not contributing to the market. In the broader markets, there are many stocks that Nigel will talk about, Zomato, etc., that are in the green. But for now, the headline index is not doing too badly. It's a decent showing. The big question really is whether this gets sold into, because that's been the nature of the market for the last many days. But time will tell. For now, it's a decent opening.
Well, it's a good opening, Sonia. And the couple of stocks that we covered at around 9 a.m. NNBC is actually higher with a gain of around 1% because you've got ₹3.75 if you bought it yesterday. So you add to that, it's actually adjusted up close to around a percent. Jindal Stainless as well as Jindal Hisar, the first tick was in the green, so both of them come up for you on the screen. And a couple of other stocks that are moving around. You have KSB. Well, they came out with a set of numbers, and those numbers look quite good. So that stock, I think, is up close to around 6%. Reddington, in pre-market, well, there was a large trade. More than 20% of the equity changed hands. It could be, inter-transfer, or maybe, in fact, we'll find out who's the buyer. But there's just one entity out there that has such a large chunk. In all probability, it could be them. That's, Sensex Mauritius. So we'll have to keep an eye out on who exactly was the buyer out there. RVNL, well, that's opened up well in the green, so just keep an eye out on that one. SpiceJet, I think you should keep an eye out there because they'll be considering issuing equity shares via pref today. So fundraising options today. And Sanofi as well, reacting to its numbers, which look quite good. The margins expanded, good growth, is what we saw on the EBITDA front, though the top line was more or less flattish. So up close to around 4% out. So pretty good start from the broader markets as well.
Okay, pretty good start from the broader markets, but let's see how long it lasts, right? Because the Nifty is now up about 60 odd points, but now the losers list is going up. So earlier it was just ONGC, now there's Titan, HDFC, Eicher Motors. In fact, this month, the HDFC group of stocks have not had it good. HDFC Life has lost 15% this month, as I was telling you earlier. And HDFC as well has been a bit on the lackluster side. So let's see. For now, 17,580 is holding on the index. So we are pretty much holding above some key levels. The 100-day moving average is still 17,997. So that's still some way off. But and so is the 50-day moving average. But let's see, the climb is slow, but it is steady. Strides Pharma, by the way, US FDA has issued an established